Hi there, I received this pool clock as a gift. Let's open it, show what it looks like. It's in bubble wrap to protect it during shipping. It's got looks like a wooden frame around it. Very large and easy to read. Perfect for pool room, for like bars or like shops. It uses single AA battery. Can be easily hanged on the wall. Look how smooth it is. Perfect for game room. And clock can be adjusted. There. Perfect. Looks really nice and cool. Give your game room a new look. Can be a perfect gift too. If you're looking for a clock for anywhere to use or for a game room, you'll look at this. Real nice.